it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. So yes, today's video is an unboxing of this month's July Lookfantastic box. That says halfway through the year, that's crazy. So just for a start, if you don't know already, the Lookfantastic is a beauty subscription box that you get every month. If you want to subscribe for just 1 month at a time, that's perfectly fine. That will cost you £15. I've subscribed for 12 months, so that costs me £13 a month. However, there are 3 month and 6 month options costing a little less, you know, each time you subscribe a little bit more. So I haven't opened this. I think we got a sneak peek in last month, but I'll be perfectly honest with you, I can't remember what it was. Did we get a sneak peek? Oh, last month they didn't put the booklet in. I can't remember if we had a sneak peek on the webpage I looked at. I don't know. Anyway, I'm blabbing. Let's open it. Let's see what this month's is. I don't even think I've seen the box design. Okay, so we have a lovely orange box this month. Ooh, do you know, it's actually really pretty. It's kind of like bronzed. It's slightly shiny. I don't know if that's coming up on camera, but it's got a definite shimmer to it. It's really, really pretty. So let's see if we've got a booklet this week. No, so I'm gonna have to find my other phone. But it says again, we hope you like the products. Don't worry, we'll bring you printed back versions as soon as we can, yada yada. So let me just get my phone. Okay, so I have found it on my phone. I do really prefer the paper versions because it's just so much easier to have at hand. I mean, I've had to log into Lookfantastic and then go and try to find the area. I film on my usual phone, so this is actually my work's phone. It's connected to my Wi-Fi, it's not costing my work anything. So let's just see. I found out the information I think about this box, so let's read the little write-up to start with. So it says, glowing skin is always in, and this July it's at the heart of our sun-kissed edition box. So it's sun-kissed, that probably explains the bronzy kind of shimmer to it. It says, achieve and protect that golden glow with this month's beauty box, filled with 6 products worth over £65. To help feel good on the inside and ones to help look good on the outside. Our beauty box edit is in digital form, yada yada yada. Okay, so I'm gonna just open the box. It's always lovely presented in some nice tissue. We get a little sticker. And then I always rip the paper. But I'll give you a quick little sneak peek of this month's products, and then I'm gonna go through them one by one as they appear, I would say, in the booklet, but we haven't got that, so it is gonna be in the page. Okay then, so first things first, we have a product from Sleek. It is Sleek Matte Me in Bittersweet, and it is worth £4.99. So it says, get the perfect pout with this sleek liquid lipstick, which glides on effortlessly to add a pop of colour that will last for hours. Matte in finish, but still comfortable on the lips for an on-trend accentuated lip look. So that looks like a really nice colour. It's a type of colour that I really like. It's kind of a pinky kind of tone. I really like that. Have I tried any lipstick? I feel like I've had a lipstick from Sleek, but I can't really remember. Some of their highlighter palettes are some of my favourites. The Solstice palette, love that. So Sleek, that's great. That's a good start to this month's box. Okay, so the next product is only a little one, but it is from This Works, and it is their Hyaluronic Expert Serum. In here we get 10 mils, which is worth about £12.33. So you definitely get your money's worth. That's almost the same price as what I paid for the box. Okay, so it says, formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, reinvigorate your skin's luminosity with this youth-boosting serum. Dullness, dehydration and fatigue will appear reduced and your skin will look brighter all day long. So that sounds really nice. This Works is a good brand. So like I said, it's only a little, but it's worth a lot. So our next product in this month's box is this So Eco Blush Brush, and it is worth £7.50. Packaging feels very eco-friendly and recyclable. I'm just going to open it up and show you the brush. So here it is. Oh, it's got nice little grippy bits for your hand. Oh, I quite like that actually. You see, it's got like little dents, so it makes it really quite easy to handle. I like that. Handle is the handle. Okay, so it says made from sustainable materials. It's cruelty-free and vegan. This Eco Face brush is perfect for swirling your favourite blusher to add a rosy glow to your complexion. Perfect for use with all formulas from creams to powders. Okay, so that's really kind of nice. Okay, so moving on, our next item is from Monu Spa, and it's a rose and lemon enriched body cream. So in here we get 100 mils and it is worth £16.65. It says treat your body from head to toe with this Monu Spa body cream, enriched with ultra nourishing vitamins and essential oils to relieve dryness and help your skin feel more firm. It's rose and lemon, that should smell nice. Ooh, that is nice. So nice. It's like lemony fresh. It's like really, really nice. Let's try a little bit of it. Okay, that goes on really, ooh, a little goes a long way, if you know what I mean. But it sinks in really nicely. Ooh, ooh, I like that. Cool, glad to have that one. Okay, our next item are vitamins. Now, we had vitamins a couple of months ago in a Lookfantastic, but they weren't vegetarian. I'm not sure if these are. So it looks like you can get two different types. You can get, well, they're both from My Vitamins. One is hair, skin and nails, and the other is Beauty Sleep, which is the one that I have. And each will have 30 capsules in there, and they're worth either $7.50 or $8.50. So it says, for self-care from the inside out, try these My Vitamin capsules. Hair, skin and nails is a great addition to your morning routine, whilst Beauty Sleep are best taken just before bed. Both vitamins are full of vital nutrients to help feel your best self. Okay, so like I said, the last lot I had were not vegetarian, which is sad, but it is what it is. Ooh, these are suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Perfect, so I can actually use these ones, so that's really, really good. I'm glad about that. So that's really nice. Obviously, I'm guessing it's a month's supply. Take one 30 minutes before sleep. Goodness, sometimes it takes me ages to go to sleep, so I hope that's not like something you have to do bang on. But okay, cool. I'm glad that the veggie. Okay then, so we are now moving on to our final item in the box, and it is this Madara Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream. Ooh, my skin's going to be so looked after at night, taking those tablets and then whacking some of this on. So it says, get into work throughout the night when your skin repairs itself. This night cream helps stimulate cell renewal in order to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Wake up brighter, hydrated, and more youthful looking skin. So this is 25 mils and it is worth £17. So a night cream's always something useful. It's something I always like to do my skincare before bed. And we've got a decent little sample, well, not a sample, a decent little product size. So that's really nice. I think I'm currently using a Madara eye cream that I got from a Lookfantastic too, and I'm really liking that, so I look forward to maybe putting that on with that. Okay, so as it is the online version of the booklet, I can't see if there's a sneak peek, so there perhaps isn't, because we didn't have a sneak peek last month, so I can't remember seeing any of these products. So we maybe don't get a sneak peek at the moment until they're back to doing the paper version, which I really, really would like them to do. I know perhaps it's not as eco-friendly, but I just prefer it. And I do keep all my little booklets, so I can look back over the year and think which subscription box was worth it. I suppose I didn't read you the tagline on the box. It says, glowing skin is always in. Okay, so a little rundown of all the products that we got in this month's box. We got the Sleek lipstick. I'm actually really looking forward to trying this. This is like a perfect colour for me. We've got the This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. That'll be nice, it's a good brand. We've got the Vitamin Beauty Sleep capsules, which will be really nice. I'm so pleased they found some vegetarian ones this time. We have the Rose and Lemon Body Cream, which smells delicious and it feels really nice on my skin, so that's going to be a good one to use. I can't believe how quickly it's dried in, actually. It's really good. We've got the Blush Brush. Can't have too many makeup brushes, you really can't. And then we've got the Deep Moisturising Night Cream. So I've paid £13 for this. I'm actually really, really pleased with everything that I've got. I will use each and everything that I've got in this month's box. I think it's going to be great. The fact it was sun-kissed and things, I'm really, really surprised though that we didn't get like a bronzing or a highlighting product. That said, I am really pleased with what I've got. Like I said, I was just expecting maybe a bronzer or a highlighter, but that's fine. And the box itself is a very pretty kind of colour. So I'm really happy with this month's box. Drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you subscribed, are you happy with it? If you haven't subscribed, does this box make you want to subscribe? Like I said, I genuinely I feel quite good about this month's box. I've been really pleased with Lookfantastic so far this year. We had a slight hiccup in February when they stopped bringing in the Elle magazine, and the products I felt listed that month were a bit so-so, but then I did get a very good apology from Lookfantastic, and they've not let me down since, to be honest. I've used most things that I've gotten, and those I haven't, I've been able to pass along to family and friends and things. So I'm really pleased. I'm glad I signed up for a year. There's another 6 months to go. We're halfway through, so look forward to another 6 months of unboxings. So guys, that's today's video. If you enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe. 6 more months of this, and I've got plenty of other videos coming up. There'll be a glossy box unboxing next week and a Superdrug haul, I believe. So I will see you next week. Take care guys, bye bye.